Have you ever wondered how to capture the perfect shot while on the move, one that encapsulates the essence of your travels without missing a beat? Imagine having a camera so versatile and compact that it becomes an extension of your adventures, allowing you to focus on exploring rather than fussing with equipment. Today, I'll take you through 5 exceptional travel cameras that promise to do just that, each bringing its own unique flair to the table. Let's dive in and find out which one might just become your ultimate travel companion. Number 5. Fujifilm X-T30 II. Envision a camera that combines the nostalgia of classic film with the tech of modern photography. The X-T30 II is a mirrorless marvel that offers stunning image quality and a user-friendly experience. Its X-Trans CMOS sensor and X processor ensure rich colors and exceptional detail. The autofocus system is fast and precise, ideal for capturing those spontaneous travel moments. With 4K video recording and a variety of lenses available, the X-T30 II caters to both photographers and videographers. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make it easy to upload your images and share your adventures on the go. Its durable design ensures it can handle the rigors of travel, while its compact size makes it a great addition to any travel kit. Number 4. Olympus OMD M5 Mark IE is worth considering. Think of it as a compact powerhouse that packs a punch. This Micro Four Thirds camera brings together portability with impressive image quality. It features 5-axis and body image stabilization, which is fantastic for smoothing out camera shake, especially in low light or during vlogging. While its battery life might be shorter than some would like, the EM5 Mark IIA's robust construction, weather sealing, and exceptional image quality make it a reliable travel companion. Its fully articulated screen is perfect for shooting from creative angles or monitoring yourself while recording. The camera excels in both stills and video, making it a strong contender for those who want high performance in a compact, travel-friendly package. Number 3. Panasonic Lumix XT30 II. Imagine having a compact companion that doesn't compromise on power. The TZ200's 15x optical zoom lens, covering a range of 24-360 m, allows for a broad spectrum of shots, from sweeping landscapes to detailed close-ups. Equipped with a 1.0-inch MOS sensor and Venus Engine image processor, it delivers excellent image quality and low-light performance. The built-in electronic viewfinder offers a sharp view of your subject, which is incredibly useful in bright sunlight. Coupled with 4K video recording capabilities, the TZ200 makes a versatile tool for documenting your travels. Its compact design means it fits easily into a pocket or small bag, so you can carry it effortlessly. The TZ200's zoom range and user-friendly features make it a superb choice for those who want high-quality imagery without the bulk. Number 2. GoPro H10 Black. Imagine scaling a rugged mountain or diving into the deep blue sea. This is where the H10 Black truly shines. Its rugged, waterproof design ensures it can handle any adventure, while its top-tier stabilization keeps your footage smooth and steady. With the ability to shoot 5.3 video at up to 60 frames per second and 4K at up to 120 frames per second, the H10 captures high-quality action shots and slow-motion footage with ease. The front-facing screen is a game-changer for vloggers, letting you see yourself while recording. Despite newer models like the HER11 and HER12 Black hitting the market, the HER10 remains a fantastic option due to its value and performance. However, it's worth noting that while the HER10 offers impressive features, it can overheat during extended recordings and has a limited range of inputs. For those who prioritize action over studio-quality video, it's a solid choice that provides high-grade performance at a more accessible price. Number 1. Sony RX100 VII. Picture yourself wandering through the narrow streets of a bustling city or standing at the edge of a breathtaking vista. The RX100 VII is a powerhouse packed into a sleek, compact frame. Its ZC Vario Sonar T24 200 mf/2.8 4.5 lens offers impressive versatility, allowing you to snap everything from wide, sweeping landscapes to distant, intricate details with stunning clarity. With its 1.0-inch Exmor RS CMOS sensor and BIONZX image processor, the RX100 VII captures vivid, detailed images even in low light. The advanced autofocus system, combining both phase detection and contrast detection, ensures that fleeting moments are preserved with remarkable sharpness. But it's not just about stills. The RX100 VII excels in video too, offering 4K recording with complete pixel readout. Whether you're shooting travel vlogs or high-definition scenes, the camera's advanced features like S-Log3 and HLG help bring your footage to life. What sets it apart is its user-friendly design. A pop-up electronic viewfinder and a tilting touchscreen make composing shots from different angles. A breeze and built-in Wi-Fi and NFC allow for quick sharing of your adventures. If you're in 2024 and looking for a camera that balances compact size with powerful imaging, the RX100 VII is an excellent choice.